哦，我们终于回到武汉了，真是一个好旅程。哎 ，this way, over there, this way. This is 武汉。What did she say?
嘿。
He looks like a bad guy.
Bad guy.
Does she? Does he? Oh, sorry.
I gotta get my hair cut today.
Okay.
接我的头发。我们走到武汉。越超感。